Dear viewers, welcome to Corner again. Most of the new students ask how to make their public transport card free in Tallinn. So we are going to answer this question in our today's video. So let's begin. If you are new in Tallinn as an international student, or you have relocated with your job in Tallinn and you want to make your public transport card free, you need to have three things in your hand. First thing is house contract, second thing is TRP, and third thing is your Tallinn transport card. It looks like this. You can buy Tallinn transport card from R-Kiosk and it costs only €2. Let's say you live in Tallinn, you have your house contract and you have received your TRP as well. Then go to the population registration office with your house contract and TRP and to the population registration. For example, if you live in ULEMISTE or LASNAMAE, then go to the following address below. As soon as your population registration is done, you should be able to personalize your travel card from pillet.ee. So go to your laptop or phone and type pillet.ee and then choose Tallinn. After that, choose Personalise. Then write your travel card number on the first row, then your TRP number or personal code, and then ID card number that will appear on the front side of your TRP, and it starts with 2 alphabet usually. Once you have done with that, click you have read and agree with the terms and conditions and submit it. Then your card will be personalized. If your card is personalized successfully, that means if you touch your travel card to the public transports in Tallinn, they won't charge you anymore. If you find this video helpful, subscribe our channel and you can share this video with someone might need to know.